Understanding backup location, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, backup location. This term is commonly used in various contexts, so understanding its meaning and usage is essential for English language learners. Let's dive in. Backup location refers to a secondary place where copies of files, data, or important items are stored. It's a safety measure to prevent loss in case the primary location is compromised, like in data loss, theft, or damage. Imagine it as a spare key to your house. If you lose the main key, the spare key becomes crucial. Let's see how backup location is used in sentences. 1. We store our files in a backup location to avoid data loss. 2. In case of an emergency, we have a backup location for our office. These examples help in understanding the context and application of the term. Having a backup location is crucial in many fields, especially in IT and business. It ensures that your important data or items are safe and recoverable, providing peace of mind and security. Some might confuse a backup location with a duplicate or copy. While they are related, a backup location is specifically about the place where these copies are stored, not just the copies themselves. I hope this explanation clears up what backup location means and how you can use it in your conversations or work. Remember, it's all about keeping a secondary, safe spot for your valuable data or items. Until next time, happy learning!